Today we are going to see our new concept, that is two-dimensional array. Up till now, whatever the array we have seen, these are called as one-dimensional or single-dimensional arrays. In one-dimensional or single-dimensional array, the list of the data items are represented within only one single row. The arrays that uses only one single dimension to arrange all its data elements, these are nothing but called as single or one-dimensional array. Now, how we can decide that what is the dimensional of the array? A very simple answer to this one. With the help of the subscript, we can find it that what is the dimensions of the array. A single dimension array uses a single subscript. For example, integer a of 10. So here 10 is nothing but a size of the array and it is called as a subscript. Here only one subscript is used, hence it is nothing but called as a single dimensional array. As data is going to be stored within the array, so as the number of the data elements are going to increase, just for a better memory management, instead of using a single dimensional, the best practice is that you can arrange your data in a form of the matrix, that is with the help of number of rows and the columns, and this representation is nothing but called as the two-dimensional array. The array which uses the two dimensions, one is for the row size and another one is for the column size. That is, in short, we are arranging all the data elements which are grouped within the array in a matrix format. These are called as the two-dimensional array. That in a two-dimensional array, there are the two subscripts are used. One is for the row and another one is for the column. For example, the individual element from the array A of ij can be identified as A is the element having its row number is I and a column number is j. The syntax for declaring the two-dimensional array is similar that of the single dimensional. Hence, firstly we should have to write down a data type. It is followed with the array name. Now, as this one is in a two-dimensional array, the two subscripts are required, one for the row size and another for the column size. For example, we can say that integer a of 3 by 3. That is, here it will be consist of 3 rows and 3 columns. Hence, the total 9 elements, 3 into 3, total 9 elements are grouped with the array name as A and whose data type is nothing but called as an integer. It may be look like in a matrix format like this one, that is, these are nothing but called as the different rows which are started from 0, 1, 2. As these row numbers are used as a subscript, it is started from the 0. Similarly, these are nothing but column numbers. It is given with 0, 1, 2. So, row 0, 0 is indicating this kind of the data element. If I am going to be write down A of 1, 2, then 1, 2, this one is the data is going to be accessed. So, with the help of a two-dimensional, the more data elements are going to be represented within the array with the help of row and column size. Thank you.